Here's how to get a TurboTax discount. So maybe you're on the wrong TurboTax product and you don't actually need to be upgraded, and you could potentially downgrade even to file your taxes with TurboTax Free Edition. Or if you want to save on federal, I actually have an affiliate link in the description down below or the pinned comment that will save you 20% if you're filing your taxes right now. So that'll get you 20% off any TurboTax product only. And that obviously that also earns me a commission and helps support this channel. So I really appreciate it. Hopefully we can get you a TurboTax discount, by using that link. But also making sure that you're on the right TurboTax product for your tax situation is also important. And, if you want to see if you could file for free on the TurboTax Free Edition, there's also that as well. Any of these ways are good ways to kind of get a discount on TurboTax. Now, to see which edition you're on, you would go to Price Preview, and it's going to tell you which one you're currently on. So I'm on the Do-It-Yourself Deluxe Edition here. And so there's cost incurred with that. It may be different for everyone, but in the lower left-hand corner, you can actually switch your products. And so if you started on that product, but maybe you want to see if you didn't actually need to be on it, because some people do need to. I personally need to be on that product, but usually I start for free, and then when I need to upgrade, I'll let it upgrade me to like the next product up. And so you can always upgrade down here, and if you feel like doing your taxes yourself, even with TurboTax guided system, causes a little anxiety, you can upgrade to the even the basic TurboTax assisted mode, and not assisted mode, but where real TurboTax experts help you with your taxes. And so you can see that here, they're the Expert Assist TurboTax products. And so you can upgrade to basic and actually have a real person help you through your taxes as well, all the way up to having someone file them for you completely. But you can also downgrade. And so if you're on the do-it-yourself products, any of them, premium, deluxe, you can hit that downgrade button and actually downgrade to TurboTax Free Edition. Now, only 37% of filers do qualify, and there's a few stipulations to that. It's simple Form 1040 returns, but you can start on TurboTax Free Edition and then upgrade if you need to, and that's usually what I do. And so if you're already on the do-it-yourself plans, you can downgrade to the Free Edition just by clicking that button. It's really simple, and it takes you to the Free Edition, and you can keep filling out your return. But if you're on the Expert Assist mode already and you want to try the do-it-yourself plans, then what you'll have to do is go down to Switch Products and say Clear and Start Over. If this button isn't appearing for you, you'll also find it in Tax Tools and go to, should be in Tools, and then there should be Clear and Start Over right here. Now, you will see a downgrade button if you're on the Expert Assist mode, and you can actually downgrade to like the basic version of Expert Assist. And so you can still have TurboTax experts help you, but you can actually downgrade from one of the higher versions down a little bit if you feel like that applies to your situation. But if you do need to clear and start over, you click that button, and then you say, yes, I want to clear all my tax data. You're going to start over from fresh, just like as if you started for the first time. So it clears your tax data. It takes you back to the first screen that you get to. And so if this is actually your first time filing taxes on TurboTax and you had clicked the link in the description and then signed in or signed up, you'll end up on a screen like this. And then you'll say, got it, and you'll start to fill out the different questionnaires. And TurboTax does a really great job of recommending you the right products for your specific situation. And so if you already know, well, I have an LLC or I'm a freelancer and I've earned money on the side, then they will recommend the product that you have to upgrade to anyway, because you've entered in that for the questionnaire already. But if you do skip these questions for now, and you'll fill out that stuff later, and then you say that you're comfortable doing your own taxes, which gets you in the recommendations for the do-it-yourself plans, then it's going to pop up with the TurboTax Free Edition. So you can start your return for free. You may need to upgrade. I'll start like this, and then I will have to upgrade eventually. And so that's kind of just depends on everyone's tax situation. You don't have to autofill any information, so you could skip that if you want or enter it if you want. And then you start to actually answer the questions in the way they apply to your tax situation. And so I filed my own taxes, so I just hit continue on that, and it takes me right back to the dashboard, and I'm on the TurboTax Free Edition now. It doesn't mean that I'm going to stay on that edition, and I wouldn't if I was filling out my taxes here. But hopefully there's some opportunity there to get kind of some discounts on filing your taxes with TurboTax this year. And like I said, there's the affiliate link down below that will save you 20% on TurboTax federal products. So hopefully you can save some money this year when you're filing your taxes, or you at least kind of know how to get started and how to use some of the different products that TurboTax has. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.